Welcome to the Manila Xiamen International School. MXIS is the first ever foreign-owned international school in Xiamen and is established in 1993. Our school has students from different cultures and different ethnicities, and to date has over 50 nationalities that we want you to meet. Now, let's go explore the facilities.
This is our swimming pool, which is used by physical and health education classes and other various water activities, such as water figure. Students enjoy using this facility, especially during the summer. We ensure 24-hour supervision among them to ensure no accidents will happen, and we also ensure they follow the pool guidelines.
Next to our swimming pool is our school gym. This gym is used for different kinds of sports, including basketball, badminton, and volleyball. The physical and health education classes are held here, and we use the gym as an assembly hall for our events like our annual house system, 9/18 Day program, Christmas celebrations, and plays featuring students from our school.
This spot is what I like the most during my break time, where I chat with my friends and meet other students from other grade levels. We enjoy the serene environment with fishes, turtles, and the nature. Sometimes we come here for our science classes when we study about ecosystem and biodiversity.
MYP students have their break and lunchtime here at the school canteen. Students enjoy bringing their own food or eating the food that is served in the school cafeteria. MXIS provides healthy food and snacks that excel in taste and health. Students may avail drinks and water if they wish to.
Center or the SRC has a futsal court, art room, and a music room. The students have their physical and health education classes here. During their break time, they enjoy playing soccer. And here we have the music room where our talented students have their band practices and music class. Now the grade 9 are having class with teacher Eric. Hi, teacher Eric!
Hello. Hi, Claudia.
In MYP art class, we have teacher Josh helping our students develop their art skills during the period.
Right here, it's one emotion. Captures the moment of action as David rears back to finish the stone. I say, after seeing all the David sections, one really wonders, didn't his mother teach him to, I don't know, wear clothes?
We're now going to enter the main building of MYP MXIS. Most of the classes, such as individual societies, mathematics and language classes are done here. It houses homeroom classroom of all MYP students, with each classroom unique and different within the school years.
In the design lab, we define problems and design solutions using our creative and critical thinking. In our design lab, we collaborate with our teammates and we create products and innovations to help solve the real-world problems. We use our design process to help make a better and a more peaceful world.
We are now entering the science lab located on the third floor, building B. Science class and investigations are held here. Many students are having their laboratory experiments and activities by using microscopes, chemicals, lab tools to know more how the world works. The materials for different activities are all set up, and we ensure safety guidelines are practiced.
And that's a short tour of our MYP department. Keep soaring high, egrets!